speaking to me personally is also this idea of your story, you're the expert, or something like lived experiences at the heart of life. Because I feel like when we somewhere there is this notion that I know more than you, or you know more than me, or somebody else knows more than I do, or whatever, and that's what makes the lived reality of somebody less कि तुम्हें ज़्यादा पता है मेरे बारे में. So I feel like just like you mentioned, this is your story. This is your, while you were talking about story, and कि you can't make a movie of it right now, but this is your movie. I was reminded of Tamasha and that particular scene from Tamasha where he's asking the storyteller कि मेरी मेरी कहानी क्या है, बता दो मुझे फटाफट, मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है. एंड पीयूष मिश्रा इज लाइक, खुद की कहानी मुझसे पूछेगा, कायर है क्या, एंड सो दैट होल आइडिया ऑफ having, you are the expert of your story, and Sarthi sounds to me like bringing people and their stories together, right? What their lived reality like, not from a perspective of them being an expert to something, but just their own reality and giving it importance, giving it a platform. Sounds good.
And उसी space में, as I said, somebody else might have that 5% no, so it's a community platform. So
Yeah,
one thing that the foundation of Sarthi is that it is a community platform. तो उस community में किसी और के पास चीनी है, और जब तुम चाय बना रहे हो तुम्हारी खत्म हो गई है, तो तुम उससे जाके चीनी ले लो और फिर कहो आओ चाय बांट के पीते हैं. तो it's literally like that कि मैं expert नहीं हूँ, मैं बोलूंगी मैं भी एक्सपर्ट नहीं हूँ किसी एक चीज में. आई ऑलवेज टेल माई सेल्फ, एंड पीपल इन माई लाइफ ऑल्सो नो मी एज जैक ऑफ ऑल ट्रेड्स, master of none. But then the second half of it is that sometimes are better than master of one. So there is strength in that also. तो मैंने उस स्ट्रेंथ पे पिकअप करके सबको एक जगह पे इकट्ठा करके ट्राई किया कि कैसे मेरी लाइफ में जैक ऑफ ऑल ट्रेड्स, या जैक इज व्हाट, अ लेमैन, तो जिसको बहुत कुछ आता है बट एक चीज की मास्टरी नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं, किसी और को होगी, उससे जाके सीख लो जितना तुम्हें जरूरत है, जितनी तुम्हें सीखनी है. मास्टरी करना चाहते हो तो वो भी कर सकते हो. पॉसिबिलिटीज, पोटेंशियल एंडलेस है और इनफाइनाइट है. ये मैंने जैक ऑफ ऑल ट्रेड्स से सीखा है, अपने आप से सीखा है. तो मैं बस यही बोलूंगी कि सारथी जो प्लेटफॉर्म है, और सारथी स्पीक्स इज वन ऑफ द रिसोर्स. इट इज all about people coming together, sharing their stories with each other, and knowing that none of us are experts. Yes, society mein there are people who are teachers, but then again they are sarthis. कुछ के लिए वो ही टीचर फिगर एक माँ है, किसी के लिए वो ही टीचर फिगर एक चाइल्ड है. कहने को you are a therapist, and I am also helping people in my own way with my tarot readings, but I'm still a daughter and say somebody's girlfriend. So it is Sarthi is Sarthi, like can be Krishna, can be Arjun's best friend.
Can be many people, right, who teach you along the way. Yeah. It's just like, maybe very briefly, since we are talking about storytelling, and what part do you think storytelling or just listening to people's experiences play in our own personal journeys?
The central thing. That's the thing. Like, that's the thing in the sense that's one of the most crucial aspects, because I feel like, say for example, we have 5 sense organs. All 5 sense organs are very, very, very important. There are 5 elements, 5 sense organs, so many 5s in our lives, as like a human that we are, the being that we are. But the senses are the ones जो सबसे ज़्यादा important होते हैं. तो जितना ही सूंघना इम्पोर्टेंट है, टेस्ट करना इम्पोर्टेंट है, फील करना इम्पोर्टेंट है, उतना ज़्यादा ही सुनना इम्पोर्टेंट है. और सुनने में और ये सारे सेंसेस में मुझे बस एक बात लगती है, जब आप एक्सपीरियंस करना चाहते हो, यू हैव टू बी साइलेंट, you have to be quiet and really get involved and really listen. तो मेरे लिए स्टोरी टेलिंग में या किसी भी, जब मैं मूवी देखती हूँ मेरी आंखों में आंसू तभी आते हैं जब मैं उसमें एकदम घुल जाती हूँ और इन्वॉल्व हो जाती हूँ और बहुत दिल से सुनती हूँ, और कहीं ना कहीं वो मूवी देख के मेरे अंदर कोई दिल का कोई तार बजता है, रिलेटेबिलिटी दिखती है, अपने बारे में कुछ और समझ में आता है, या जो अपने बारे में पता है बाहर दिखता है कि मेरे आंखों से आंसू आते हैं. तो why are movies like Tamasha or Rockstar so out there in the world and so popular? It is because they strike a chord in people's heart. It resonates with them, their own life story. So listening to stories is very, very crucial as you are as a human being. Not biologically with your ears, but being present, like with whatever is it that is happening. So being listen in ulta karo to silent hota hai, by the way. So it's like yeah, so listen ulta is silent. So in silence, just be present, and you will listen everything, not only through your ears, but through every sense capability that you have in your physical body or outside of it also, which is magical.
Yeah, I've read this quote somewhere that said, listening is actually giving. Like, it's one of the most powerful ways of giving. So, when you actually deeply, actively are able to be present with someone or listen to their story, that's actually a very, very powerful way of witnessing or giving. I feel like that's a very underrated skill that we all share.
I feel like one of the most beautiful examples would be movies like Black, or stories where somebody is deaf, but people still go through something. And there are some times when there are people in your life who don't pay attention when you are saying something, but sometimes presence is enough. So
Most of the time.
most of the times, in fact, yes, because when somebody is just there, standing there, and trust me, sometimes when they're not standing there also, because say for example, if somebody has been in a long distance relationship or has stayed away from their family, sometimes they just think of that person and feel not alone. So presence is also, as you said, listening and the biggest way of गिविंग. एंड दिस इज समथिंग दैट मैं प्रीच नहीं कर रही हूँ, ये बस मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है लाइफ का, जो कुछ साल पहले तक नहीं था, भी थोड़े बड़े होते होते अब रियलाइजेशन हुई है.
What's coming up for you as you've shared bits about Sarthi, and now that it's finally going to get out in the world, what is the feeling like?
Feeling. So feeling is I don't know. I don't know, because again, feeling is a little bit of cluelessness, because कहीं ना कहीं मुझे अभी भी doubt है कि how will people receive it. It's again almost like, you know, मैंने अपनी बच्चे को इतना बड़ा कर दिया है, पता नहीं मैं उसको ये ड्रेस की जगह अगर ये ड्रेस पहनाऊंगी तो लोग क्या सोचेंगे. तो या मैं उसको अच्छे से तैयार करके जाती हूँ, फिर भी कोई बुरा बोलता है तो मुझे बुरा लगता है एज अ मदर कि मैंने अपने बच्चे को नहीं तो गलत पहना दिया. वो तो मुझे बोल रहा था कि मम्मी ऑरेंज टी शर्ट पहनाओ, मैंने उसे बोला ब्लू पहनेंगे. तो it's literally like that. तो थोड़ा सा clueless लग रहा है, because I don't know how people are going to receive it or accept it. But one thing जो मैं अपने आप को बोलती हूँ feeling wise, कि the more that I accept it, that's all that matters. मैं मानती हूँ, मैं accept करती हूँ. कम्युनिटी हो सकता है 1000 लोगों जितनी बड़ी ना बने, लेकिन अगर 5 लाइव्स भी टच कर लेती है और 5 लोगों की स्टोरीज भी सुन लेती है, या 5 लोगों के बारे में भी शेयर कर देती है, वो ही बहुत. और उनकी स्टोरीज के साथ साथ ही सारथी बड़ा होएगा. as I said, it's by the people for the people. It is happening. जो लोग बोलेंगे दूसरे लोग सुनेंगे, और ऐसे ही कम्युनिटी एक्सपैंड हो सकती है और होगी. तो हाँ, मेरे पे है ही नहीं, मैं बस एक जरिया हूँ. It depends on the audience, the people who are listening. It's not me, but it's still mine. That's the only thing that I have for it, which is love and care and affection for a project like this. कि responsibility है बस एक, क्योंकि मैं एक जरिया हूँ. That's it. तो ये मेरी feeling है.